We'll guide you through how to delete contacts on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and for whatever reason you want to delete a contact. There's different reasons why you may want to do this. Perhaps you no longer go and talk to them, and you're no longer friends with them, and so you want to delete them. Perhaps they're an old colleague or a contractor who you used to work with, or they did work for you. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about deleting contacts. Make sure this full guide and you don't skip anything so you know what you need to do, as there are different ways you can go about it. So let's go and get started. So what we want to do is go and open up the Contacts app on the iPhone. So what you can do is you can go and drag down and search for contacts, but by default, the Contacts app will be on the second page. So we can go and open it up. Now what you can do is you can go and scroll through here and you can go and find the contact you want to delete. Of course, you can always go and use the search at the bottom as well. So the first way you can do this is what you can do is you can go and find the contact and then tap and hold your finger on them like so. And this will go and open up a list of options. So tap and hold, and then you'll go and see the option for delete contact, which you can tap and you can then go and confirm your decision to go and delete them. That's the first way. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and tap on it. And once you've opened up the contact, press edit in the top right and you can scroll down. And at the bottom, you have delete contact, which you can click on, and they'll then be deleted. That's it.